Today, I am reviewing the MUNBYN high-end rugged laptop IRX17. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever tried to use a standard consumer-grade laptop on a construction site or in a dusty warehouse, you know exactly how quickly they fail. Between the screen glare that makes it impossible to see your blueprints and the constant fear of a single drop shattering your motherboard, it is a recipe for disaster. I've been putting the MUNBYN IRX17 rugged laptop through its paces for the last few weeks, and it is a completely different beast compared to the thin ultrabooks most of us are used to carrying around. If you want to see the current pricing or check out the technical specs for yourself, there are links below the video that will take you straight to the product page. Let's start with the build quality because that is the only reason you are looking at a machine like this. This thing is built like a tank. It carries an IP65 rating and meets MIL-STD-810H standards, which is not just marketing speak. I took this out into a light rain and kept it running while doing some field documentation, and the water just beads off the chassis. The port covers are thick and secure, which is vital because the biggest killer of field laptops is fine dust getting into the USB ports or the fan intake. You can feel the weight of it immediately, but that heft translates into confidence. If you bump this against a piece of heavy machinery or drop it onto a concrete floor from waist height, you are not going to be holding your breath waiting for the screen to flicker out. The display is the other standout feature. It is rated at 1000 nits of brightness, and that is not an exaggeration. I tested this in direct midday sun, and for the first time, I didn't have to hunch over the screen or find a patch of shade just to read a CAD file. It is sharp, clear, and perfectly usable in conditions that would render a standard MacBook or Dell XPS completely invisible. However, keep in mind that this is a 15.6-inch display, and because of the rugged frame, the bezels are quite thick. It is not a sleek, modern aesthetic, but it is functional. Under the hood, you're looking at an Intel i7-1255U processor paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. In my testing with AutoCAD and some basic SolidWorks simulations, the machine held up well. It is snappy, and the DDR5 memory makes a noticeable difference in how quickly the system handles large datasets or multiple applications running simultaneously. It is not a gaming rig, and it is not meant to be, but for professional field engineering, data analysis, or remote monitoring, it has plenty of headroom. You can check the links below the video if you want to see how this specific configuration stacks up against your current workflow requirements. Now, I have to talk about the downsides because no piece of tech is perfect. First, the 512 GB SSD is a bit stingy for a high-end rugged machine. If you are working with large project files or high-resolution site photos, you're going to fill that up faster than you think. The good news is that it is user replaceable and supports expansion up to 4 TB, so you should definitely factor the cost of a larger drive into your budget right away. Second, the weight. This is not a laptop you want to carry around a convention floor all day. It is designed to be set up at a workstation, a vehicle mount, or a field desk. If your job involves constant travel through airports, the bulk might become a nuisance. I also want to mention the battery situation. It features dual batteries, which is a lifesaver in the field. Having the ability to swap a battery without shutting down the entire system is a feature that once you have, you never want to go back to. However, the charging brick is bulky, and because of the power requirements for that bright screen and the ruggedized components, you're going to want to keep a spare battery charged and ready if you are working a 12-hour shift away from a power outlet. The CamGuard privacy switch is a nice touch. In the world of industrial security and site confidentiality, having a physical cover for the lens is much better than relying on software permissions or a piece of tape. It feels solid, not flimsy, which matches the rest of the build. Who should buy this? If you are a site manager, a field engineer, or someone working in agriculture, oil and gas, or heavy manufacturing, this is a legitimate tool. It is an investment in reliability. If you are an office worker or a student, you should probably avoid this. You would be paying for durability and environmental protection that you simply don't need, and you would be sacrificing portability and aesthetics for no real benefit. The value proposition here is about uptime. If a standard laptop breaks, you lose the cost of the repair, but you also lose the time spent waiting for a replacement and the potential downtime on your project. The IRX17 is designed to prevent those interruptions. It is a niche tool for a specific type of user, but for that user, it is incredibly effective. I found the keyboard to be tactile and easy to use even with work gloves on, which is a small detail that makes a huge difference in the field. The Wi-Fi 6 connectivity was stable, even when I was testing it at the edge of my property where other laptops usually struggle to maintain a connection. It feels like MUNBYN thought about the actual pain points of field work rather than just trying to pack high specs into a rugged case. If you are currently struggling with a laptop that feels like it is about to fall apart every time you step outside the office, this is likely the upgrade you need. Again, you can find the current price and more detailed specifications by checking the links below the video. It is a specialized piece of hardware, but if you are in the market for something that won't quit on you, the IRX17 is a solid, honest performer that delivers on its promises.